Click on the link below to get price. The Dell XPS 8960 desktop is a powerhouse that promises to meet the needs of both professionals and gamers alike. With its impressive specifications, including a whopping 4TB SSD and 96GB DDR5 RAM, it stands out in a crowded market. Upon unboxing, the sleek design immediately catches the eye. The aluminum chassis not only looks modern but also feels sturdy, enhancing its premium appeal. Performance-wise, the XPS 8960 excels in multitasking. The 96GB of DDR5 RAM allows for seamless switching between demanding applications, making it an ideal choice for video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming. During my usage, I noticed that even with multiple heavy applications running simultaneously, the system remained fluid and responsive, thanks to the high-speed SSD that significantly reduces load times. Another notable feature is the Windows 11 Pro operating system, which enhances productivity with its intuitive layout and advanced features. The integration of Microsoft's latest updates ensures that the desktop is optimized for performance and security. The user interface is clean and efficient, making the overall experience enjoyable. The graphical performance is also noteworthy. Depending on the configuration you choose, the XPS 8960 can be customized with powerful GPUs, which perform exceptionally well for gaming and graphic-intensive tasks. I tested a few AAA titles, and the frames per second remained high, even at max settings, showcasing the system's capacity to handle demanding graphics. Connectivity options are plentiful, featuring multiple USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort, ensuring compatibility with various peripherals and displays. Moreover, the thermal management system does an excellent job of keeping the components cool, even during intense workloads. In summary, the Dell XPS 8960 desktop is a top-tier machine that combines cutting-edge technology with elegant design. Its array of features make it suitable for anyone looking for a reliable and powerful desktop solution, whether for professional use or immersive gaming experiences. Highly recommended for users needing a robust and future-proof system.